Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do two different types of pull-through braids, but I'm also going to be sharing with you how many mannequin heads I have. I have 9 mannequin heads, I'm pretty sure, and I do have names for them all, and the reason I do names is because I don't like calling them mannequin heads, even though I just call them mannequin heads all the time. Okay, so this is my closet, and that is where I keep them. Wait. Okay, so all 9 of these, right here. This is Linnea, and she has real hair. This is Gloria, and she has real hair. This is Emily, and she has real hair. This is Clara, and she has synthetic hair. This is Tessa, and she also has synthetic hair. This is Peony, and she has real hair. This is Dahlia, and she has real hair. This is Evangeline, and she has real hair. This is Melody, and she has real hair. So that's all the mannequin heads I have. I do use certain ones more than I do others. So now let's move on to the hairstyles. For the first hairstyle, I'm going to be showing you how to do a regular pull-through braid. To start off this hairstyle, I've just part the hair in half, and I'm going to do the regular pull-through braid on the left side of my mannequin head, and then I'm going to do the 3-strand pull-through braid on the right side. So to start off this regular pull-through braid, I already put a triangular section into a ponytail, and then I'm going to take another slice of hair just right behind that first section and also put it in a ponytail. Throughout these 2 braids, you want to make sure that you always have 2 ponytails, and you can use clear or colored matching rubber bands. I just have white ones and I don't really mind them showing. So once I've got both of the ponytails, I'm going to take that first ponytail and split it in half. You want to make sure that these 2 halves are even on both sides. And then I'm going to take the 2 halves and bring it around the second ponytail that I have, and then just clip that ponytail away. And then I'm going to take a new slice of hair just right behind the second section that we made. And then I'm going to add the 2 halves to the new hair, and then I'm just going to tie it off. So once you've got that ponytail, we're going to go back to that top ponytail that we made earlier, and you're going to split it in half, bring it around this new ponytail that we have, and then clip the new ponytail away. And then with the 2 halves, we're going to add new hair in and tie off. So that's all you're going to do for the rest of the hair. Just make sure that you always have 2 ponytails, and on the top ponytail, you're always going to be splitting that ponytail in half, bringing it around the second ponytail, and adding new hair and then tying it off. So just repeat that all the way down, and once you run out of hair to add, all you have to do is continue keeping the 2 ponytail thing, and for the top ponytail, continue splitting the hair in half, bring it under the second ponytail, and then tying it off without adding new hair. And you just do that until you've run out of hair. Once I'm finished with this side, I'm going to go back in and pull out the loops that we created. And I did it at the end of the braid, but you want to make sure that you do it while you're putting the ponytails in, because we're putting so many rubber bands in the hair that it's so secure that it's really hard to pull it apart and making it loose and fluffy and big. So once you go down 2 to 3 ponytails, you want to be pulling the little loops out, not at the end. So that was how you do a regular pull-through braid. Now I'm going to show you how to do a 3-strand pull-through braid. And it's actually really similar to a regular one. So I'm going to start off with 2 ponytails. And once I've got the ponytails in, I'm going to take the top section and split it into 3 instead of 2. With these 3 strands, the most important strand that you want to worry about is this middle strand. And I'm just going to let go of all the other strands and take our bottom ponytail and split that into 2. And then bring the 2 up and around this middle strand. So the 2 sections from the bottom ponytail is sandwiching this middle strand from the top ponytail. So with a regular pull-through braid, you're bringing the strands like behind and under the second ponytail, but with a 3-strand pull-through braid, you're bringing the sections from underneath up in front of the first ponytail. So now that I have my 3 strands, I'm going to take a new section of hair and add that to the 3 strands and then just tie it off. And then once I'm done with that, I'll unclip the top section that we have and split it into 3 sections. Again, you want to make sure that these sections are even. And once I've got the 3 sections, I'm just going to hold on to the middle section and take our second ponytail and split it into 2 halves and make sure that they're all even as well. And then I'm going to place that middle section in between the 2 sections from the second ponytail. And then clip the second ponytail out of the way so that I can add new hair to the 3 sections and put that in a ponytail. So you're just going to do that all the way down. Basically, you always want to have 2 ponytails, and the top ponytail is always going to be split into 3 little sections, and the bottom ponytail is only going to be split into 2 sections. And for the top ponytail, just hold on to the middle section and bring it in between the 2 sections from the second ponytail. Then add new hair to the 3 sections and then tie it off and just do it all over again. So just do that all the way down. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to come back for next week's video. I'm really excited for next week's video because I'm going to be showing you all what I do with my hair in like a week span. So like what I do to my hair each day just for a week. And I will be showing you all how I curl my hair and how I do my favorite hairstyle. So be sure to come back for that. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you next time. Bye.